Good morning, everybody. This is Max Farrell from Dex Fx Markets. Today is the 6th of November, 2019, and it's my 50th birthday. Yeah, go figure. So, on my 50th birthday, what better present to have than positive results? Finally back into trading the xedan yesterday. We released 1.2, I think like 2 days ago, and just released 1.3 beta last night, or actually this morning. I got advanced copy of it and put it on, and boy, does it work beautifully. Got all those little tiny bugs fixed out, and now we're cooking with gas. We put it on yesterday. I put it on my account yesterday. I got the two trades that were on almost immediately. I ended up adding, because I forgot to add the extra trade on, the extra lot or the extra contract. So I quickly reprocessed the trade, and it worked like a charm. Picked it up almost immediately. We got in for $75 a piece on those for $46 profit margin with two contracts for $25 profit margin. Cool. Using our DPC, or data processing center, as well as some of the charting systems, I was able to get into other trades throughout the day. The Euro JPY picked up at 3 p.m. Yesterday as well. So this was another big trade for us for yesterday, having a $46 run, which was just awesome, right? I'm just loving this process of getting, one or two really good trades a day, and then just simply adding volume to make my money. And then I turned it on and I went to bed and didn't touch it, because I knew with the 1.3 we have our new reprocessing process that it won't miss any trades anymore. Because if you were having not good results with it in our beta test from last week, you will have great results now, because you're going to be hitting every trade that needs to be hit. Whether or not it gets filled or not is another story, but at least now you won't get search engine issues or Nadex search problems, right? Because if it doesn't go in, it'll keep trying until it does. It's going to be resilient. It's like a little mini Max, right? Okay. So, how much did we do yesterday? From 11 a.m. to now, which almost 24 hours, 23 hours, $204 in profit in the process. So I haven't done any other trading, so the totals are looking kind of weak for this entire last week. Really bad. We made just about half, little less than half of what we made entirely last week, because we didn't trade. We turned the bot off because the system wasn't going to work properly. I didn't want to be showing it, right? So we had to. Now, not that the strategy doesn't work, but the bot wasn't picking up the trade. So the strategy still works because people are trading it manually and doing well with that. So I know it's the strategy and the system still works. It's just that the connection of the bot itself was having problem picking up the trades. So now that we're on track, baby. I can't wait to see what's going to happen over the next 3 or 4 weeks. If you're watching this and you're a part of this little experiment of life that we have created here, then you're probably loving it. If you're not in, make sure you get on. Right? Stop sitting in the wings. I'm telling you. Some people are like, well, why would I buy in if it's got bugs and other issues? Shouldn't it be perfect? No. The reason why is because the more people we have at this beginning phase helping us test and find bugs and find issues, the better, right? Invest in your time. Invest in yourself. You're investing in us when you buy into the process, because we can help develop and build more attributes to it. More stuff is coming for this bot. The ability to look at the DPC and automatically figure out the strategy that you need to use, which is the best strategy. The process of being able to calculate your balance and your winning percentages and your success rates and all that kind of good stuff, all at your fingertips, coming soon. Since we fired the bot off into this testing format of beta, we've made $6,300. And of course, also doing some manual trading in the very beginning, so I had to pull some of that back just so I could show the results for the xedan. But my trading life, if you just look for the xedan, if we just look at the xedan, let's do that since it started. Very easy to calculate. Boom, there you go. $4,500 since we started testing the xedan in this process. Now, before you go all meme on me and be like, well, Max, that's only a demo. Yeah. Right. Absolutely. We also have tested it live and for the connections. Now that we make sure that all the bugs are worked out, on November 24th, we were originally going to release it for live on November 17th, that Sunday. But we have decided to wait another week so we can get more bugs in and check to make sure that we get those bugs squashed in that process. So we'll be releasing on November 24th that night for live. Get on board, because once it goes live, once it goes to that solution, there's a unique process that's about to happen. You're going to have to go through a certain series of tests and training in order to you'll get a demo version, but you won't get the live key until you go through that process and consult with us and talk to us about the process. The reason why we do that is because we don't want the average Joe just to come in here thinking they know it all and push the button on this and start doing 50, 60 contracts by accident or wiping out their accounts, all that kind of stuff. So you're going to follow some rules that we set. If you don't want to do that, if you don't want to follow by that process, you can go somewhere else and find a bot. That's completely okay. Okay? All right. So I'm super excited about what's happening. I hope you are too. I look forward to seeing you next time. I'm Max Farrell. This is Dex Fx Markets. Happy birthday to me here on November 6th. I'll see you all very, very soon. And as always, trade well.